Hi there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty, and this is kind of a controversial one. Sometimes it's the right decision to get a pre-listing inspection. Not always, but sometimes it can really help. So if you have a home where there's something kind of obvious that needs to be done, or the exact opposite, your home looks like it's perfect. Sometimes getting a pre-listing inspection can help you either say, look, this is everything that's wrong with the house. Full disclosure, we know what's wrong with the house. Here are the bids to get it done. Here are the things we've fixed since the inspection. Now what? So the reason you do that in that situation where there's obviously a lot that needs done with the house is so that people don't charge you twice. So sometimes a buyer will discount the house and then they'll ask for a whole bunch on the inspections. You don't want them to do that. You want them to offer you what the home is actually worth based on its current condition. And you want to have priced your home what it's actually worth based on its current condition. So having lots of bids and fixing the things that you can really helps in that situation. If your home is perfect and you are anticipating that you will get lots of multiple offers, this can make your offers stronger because people might limit their inspections or waive their inspections because you already have an inspection in hand from a trusted, reputable inspector that's local, that people already like, know, and trust. So if they know that this person's already signed off on it and they've found these things on that day, they might be willing to waive their inspection. Now, as a buyer's agent, I would never suggest you waive your inspection. I would always suggest that you have the ability to back out of the home, even if you limit your inspections. But in a highly competitive market, sometimes that's what folks do. So those are two reasons why you might consider getting a pre-listing inspection on your home.